It's just one.
Okay, go next door. She's smiling. Alright, go on, go on. Knock, knock, knock.
She wants to help you.
Knock, knock, knock. Aww. I can't do it. Did you hear her? Knock, Riri. They can't hear you. Say trick or treat.
Step back. Hello there.
Say hi.
Maria, only one candy, okay?
Oh. Or whatever you...
Hey, what are you supposed to be?
A butterfly.
Oh,
With the broken wing.
I wanted to say a pink dragon there for a minute.
I know. My sister was like, "Oh, what is she? She's
That's good. I see the
adorable, but
butterfly
what is
wings
she?"
now.
Thanks, y'all. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Did you say thank you, Riri? No?
You didn't say thank you?
Did you say thank